You searched how to buy shares of Benitec Biopharma Inc., and this video shows the basic steps. Benitec Biopharma Inc. is a biotech firm listed on NASDAQ under the ticker BNTC. This content is educational only and not financial advice. To buy BNTC, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account with an ID and add funds before you can place a purchase. Use the platform's search bar and type the ticker BNTC to find Benitec Biopharma Inc. Select the result that matches the NASDAQ listing to ensure you have the correct share. Open the asset page to review company information and the price chart for BNTC. Confirm the company details and a NASDAQ listing to verify this is the right stock. Click Invest, enter the amount you want to buy, choose order type if needed, then review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or set as a limit order, and the platform will ask you to add funds if your balance is insufficient before final confirmation. After the trade executes, your BNTC position will appear in your portfolio. Find the eToro link in the description if you want to follow the same steps.